Last time we talked about that who can help you and who are the people who do it. Now we will talk about we will talk more about this. You should always feel safe and nobody should be allowed to harm you. Child abuse is always wrong, and if it happens to you or someone you know, then you must talk to an adult you trust. So you should always feel safe and nobody should be allowed to harm you. And how is it possible? When you will talk to people whom do you trust mostly, okay? Whom do you trust most? Child abuse is always wrong, and if it happens to you or someone you know, then you must talk to an adult you trust. If it happens to you or if it happens to your friend or if it happens to any child, what you should do? You should talk to an adult whom do you trust most, okay? Words you might not know. What is violence, okay? Violence is when someone applies force to hurt you or make you feel bad. Violence, if somebody, for example, beats you with the stick or beats you with the applies any force on you, throws something on you, any stone or some, that's called violence, or that will make you feel bad or that will hurt you. Threats are when someone says that they will do unpleasant things to you. Threat means dhamki dena, huh? Or when someone says that they will do bad things with you or unpleasant things with you. Insults are bad words and abusive terms that someone says to you or members of your family. What is an insult? An insult is a bad word or it's an abusive term that someone says to you or members of your family. Bad words through by which you feel you get hurt, okay, by which you feel unpleasant or uncomfortable. Humiliation is when someone does or says things that hurt your pride and which make you feel less valuable. So humiliation is when somebody says anything to you, आपका pride जो है वो hurt हो जाता है, आपका गुरूर जो है वो टूट जाता है, and which makes you feel less valuable. You feel like you are less valuable. आपकी कोई कीमत ही नहीं है, आप क्या हो. Humiliate means बेइज्जत करना. Avoiding is when someone does not want to be near you. Avoiding means जब कोई आपके सामने नहीं होना चाहता है, when someone does not want to be near you. Harassment is when someone says or does things that makes you uncomfortable or make you feel unsafe. So harassment is when someone says or does things, कुछ ऐसा करना that make you uncomfortable, ऐसी चीज़ें करना जो आपको uncomfortable feel कराती है, or make you feel unsafe, that makes you feel unsafe. That's called harassment. So these are the terms you must know: violence, threats, insults, humiliation, avoiding, and harassment. So we have finished this lesson. Tomorrow we will go through this. We will go through the grammar of this lesson. Till then, stay at home, stay safe.